Hey, Freedom Stackers. Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 52 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge. Hey, Freedom Stackers! Hey, Freedom Stackers. Freedom Stacker here. Let me start by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take anything that I say in this video or any of my other videos as financial advice. This is what I'm doing. This is what I am inviting you to join me in doing so that we all can stack more silver and gold. Well, you made it. It's week 52 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge. And you've made it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, and this is your first video that you're seeing on this topic, go back and check out this playlist from the beginning, because this is a step-by-step weekly walkthrough in order to be able to stack 5 ounces of silver and a 10th ounce of gold on alternating monthly schedules. But the one I committed to was 41 ounces of silver and a half ounce of gold in a year's time. And with another 10 ounces of silver, I will have hit my goal. Whether you decide to save your money in an envelope or a shoebox, or me myself, I save mine in my Acorns account. If you don't already have an Acorns account and you'd like to open one, go ahead and use the code in any of my videos. That way it'll know that you came from me, and you'll get $5 and I'll get $5 added to my account for free. Hey, Freedom Stackers. Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 52 of the Stack Beast Mode Challenge. And we're going to be removing $235 so that we can get 10 ounces of silver. But the only thing is, I'm not going to be removing the funds on this video. I'm actually going to be removing the funds on my $1 Ascending Challenge video, because I'm going to group it together to where I only have to make one withdrawal. Acorns really didn't like me taking out money every month, because this is more of a saving, investing app, I guess. So Stack Beast Mode next year is going to be moving to Apmex 1 Gold. Let me show you what's going on over there. Apmex 1 Gold has an option to where you can automatically have money go into precious metals. I guess it's kind of like a digital precious metal, because you buy in at the metal price with no premium, and it changes with the price of gold and silver and platinum. I currently have $777 going into gold, silver, and platinum every 2 weeks when I get paid. I figured it'd be fun to just watch it grow. Now, the part that I'm going to be using to put my money in is in the center blue tile. It's the buy, sell, fund, or redeem. You can deposit or withdraw through the fund, or once you have your money in there, you could redeem it from Apmex. And it's the best tier pricing. So if you have to buy like 5,000 to get this price or whatever, then with the Apmex 1 Gold, you get it at the best tier pricing for just buying one. As you can see, they have all kinds of gold. And we go into some silver. Even constitutional. And then into platinum. Now, if you want to buy something and it's on Apmex and it's not on here, the best thing to do is find out what the product number is on Apmex and contact OneGold, and they can put it in your card or make it available for you. I'm not sure how that goes. I actually haven't bought anything off of here yet. All of my information is coming from Florida Stacker. I watched his video a few months ago. You can auto invest and refer a friend. It gives you alerts when the metals are on their move. Like I got a alert today that said that silver was 2.4% up. So, and if you have any kind of questions about anything about OneGold, they have little miniature videos in here. You can watch them as many times as you want to, and it explains everything in detail. Has your market news down here, as if you want to read some articles on gold and silver and precious metals and whatnot. But that's OneGold. I invite you to join me. The link's in the description of all my videos. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking, and I'll see you in the next one.